Hi friends, Rotary in Mumbai, called as District 3141, is one of the premier Rotary districts in the world. And Rotary Year 2021 is a very special year for Rotary, which is also called as the Vision Year. In this year, we have started a novel concept called as Biz Talks, an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. And I, Dr. Manish Motwani, a weight loss surgeon and Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in 2021, would be your host for the day. Friends, Biz Talks is a hot from oven initiative, brainchild of District Governor 2021 Sunil Mehra, to create more bonding and proximity amongst Rotarians on personal, Rotary, and professional front. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more and make a difference in the community. Friends, we have a very special person in front of us on this talk show today. Rotarian Ravi Shekhar, a Rotarian since 2009 from Rotary Club of Devnar. And Rotary Club of Devnar is one of the premier clubs in Rotary District 3141. And he is a Pakka Madrasi Mumbaikar, born and brought up in Mumbai from Rotary Club of Devnar. Graduated from SIS and then a diploma in business management. Worked for the national airline for 24 years as customer service superintendent. Currently into software production. Impresses an exuberant personality and a go-getter. Rotarian who has taken up various causes to give back to the society. And friends, heading one of the unique projects of Vision Year, that is transgender upliftment. And we have just learned a new word the other day. It is trans-person upliftment. Am I right,
Correct.
Ravi?
That's right.
So
Absolutely right, Dr. Manish.
with this small introduction, I present before you, friends, a very close and dear friend, Rotarian Ravi Shekhar.
Hello, everybody. And Dr. Manish, thank you very much for this wonderful occasion to meet across TV screens. Or I would say thanks to DGE Sunil Mehra for this wonderful concept. Yes, there is going to be a much bigger, better bonding throughout the year, definitely. And to start off on a Zoom meeting, which we already experienced, the wonderful seamless DTA that was held just a month back. So please go ahead and I'd like to definitely be a part of this wonderful year.
So Ravi, the concept of this show is to support Rotarians, to support Rotary, help Rotary grow, create more bonding amongst Rotarians. Now to create more bonding, Ravi, I know you so much from Rotary front and a bit about you on your professional front also. But we would all like to know a bit more of you on your personal front.
Okay, so of course, for a lot of my friends, I'm known as Ravi, though my name is Ravi Shekhar. And of course, like you correctly said, mentioned, a typical Mumbaikar, Madrasi from there, born and brought up. Till my, I think my college and everything else has been around Chembur. This is where I live now. Married to Radhika for 30 years. In fact, just last week we finished, completed our 30th anniversary. Blessed with two wonderful children. And of course, 4 years back, my daughter got married. Daughter and son-in-law are settled in Amsterdam. Son, of course, has just finished his aeronautical engineering. And very small family. My sister and her entire family live in the US. They are citizens for the last 30 years there. Apart from this, I would say a very small circle of very close friends, a lot of them from Rotary, plus a few of them from the airline background that I already had. And what drives me is get-togethers where there's a lot of backslapping and leg pulling amongst friends. That's what I enjoy most. And to a lot of other people, yes, our Govinda group is still one of the most lively, exuberant groups. Thanks to DG Sunil for bringing in that camaraderie amongst us.
Fantastic, Ravi. So we've known you since the WOW year, and that time I and Sunil were the district secretaries for different groups, and the lead group was called Govindas, and I've seen how Govindas have emerged since then as a closely knit unit. And this year, most of the Govindas are doing some extraordinary work. At the same time, you all will be doing one work jointly. And I hope you're aware of the Rotary Angels, where everyone
That's
is
right.
to be a part and parcel of that. Tell me, Ravi, this was something about you on the personal front, but tell us something about your work, your profession. one, and second, how could you support Rotary through your profession?
All right. So, Dr. Manish, like you said in the introduction, I immediately after I left college way back in 1981, I joined the National Airlines. It was Indian Airlines those days. I moved up the ladder there, and of course, with a few trainings and things, I was head of the quality circle there. I was head of the customer services department for quite some time. And at the age of, I think, 44, a pretty challenging age for anybody, I quit my job for two reasons. One is I had cardiac angioplasty just about 2-3 years back before that. But I quit and I wanted to do something which was always my passion, which was software. And in 2005, I finally put in my papers. I took voluntary retirement from Indian Airlines. And I started my own software company, which is what I'm continuing even today. And as a part of the software journey, of course, for the last 3 years, we are also maintaining, and we developed and we are maintaining the district website for the District 3141. And a lot of effort has gone into it, a lot of ideas from leaders from across the district, I would say. Girish Mittal started it, then Shashi himself had a lot of ideas on it. And then we had this whole year, Deepak Jain, the DJ, was closely coordinating with us. And we've developed a very good site so far. A lot of data collection is happening. Yes, there are rough edges still to be done, which I think we'll be taking care of this year. This is as far as what my professional background, though of course I'm a certified Scrum Master. I'm a professional programmer myself. But all that is in the past. But right now, my passion is definitely software. We have our own copyrighted software for the loans and mortgages industry, where large financial companies like housing finance companies and asset reconstruction companies are using our software. A couple of big names can be like Edelweiss, and other people are still using our software. That is the professional part. Yes, there is a lot to do as far as the district website goes. That is probably going to be the plan for this incoming year, where there's a lot of integration to be done with probably the Rotary.org site itself. That is as far as my professional background goes. And to go beyond that slightly, I also dabble around with investments in a couple of chocolate shops and other places, which is attributed to airports. So we recently finished our contract at Ahmedabad airport and at Baroda airport, where we had our own branded chocolate shops and namkeens. So that is the other part of my profession, because that has been around for a very long time. And apart from that, yes, work-wise, these are the only two things that I do. I have a small office in Neelkanth Business Park in Vidyavihaar. A couple of our own Rotarians have also been a part of it. I think somebody from Ghatkopar is there. That is my professional background. And software, yes, is in every which way we can help the Rotary Foundation or the Rotary movement itself. I'm willing to do.
Fantastic, Ravi. This is you've given us a good insight into what you do, and this program is going to be watched by Rotarians, non-Rotarians, and I think so. You are a person who's so transparent, so ethical, so nice to work, so warm and pleasant. Anyone and everyone would love to get tied up with you. So we want Rotarians to work as a small family and do friendship amongst each other, do businesses amongst each other, and come together to work as a good Rotary family also. So I'll be more than happy if after this interview of yours, looking at what all you do, there should be Rotarians and non-Rotarians like coming up to you and asking you that, yes, can we do work together? That will be what would I feel as a success of this interview, apart from what you give to Rotary. Ravi, apart from that, you are taking up the responsibility of transgender upliftment in 2021. Would you like to speak 2 words about that?
Yeah, definitely, Dr. Manish. If you recollect during the WOW year, when DG Sunil was our DS, and we had embarked upon this project with the trans persons. That was through the Humsafar Trust and the Shan Foundation at that point in time. So year-long program included a lot of medical camps for them. We had some vocational training done for, but the number of people who participated in the vocational camp was pretty less. But in turn, what they gave us was a skit. They performed a skit for us as far as the skin donation was concerned. right across the city, right from, I would say, the INHS Ashwini, which was the military hospital, and the naval hospital, there to a few colleges across the city. The trans persons, under the guidance of a very close friend, Pooja Singh and Padma, they performed a skit which enhanced the awareness creation program of our skin donation. Dr. Sunil Keswani was very much a part of this entire thing. The other thing at that point in time, what we did was we had a flag hoisting ceremony on 26th of Jan, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 26th Jan, at the National Burn Center. The flag hoisting was done by transgenders, the head of one of these shakas that they call. After the flag hosting was done, Dr. Manish, the head turned around and she said, "This is perhaps ये हमारे लिए सबसे बड़ी इज्जत की बात है कि आपने इस देश का झंडा हमसे फहराया। आज तक किसी ने हमको इतना इज्जत दिया नहीं है। हम रोटरी के लिए कुछ भी करने को तैयार हैं." And that is when the program for skin donation and other things started in full swing. With that in mind, we've been talking about it quite some time. And DG Sunil, I think about a year back, when he met me at one of these social functions somewhere, he said, "I've got a project for you, which I don't have to explain. You have already done it. You will do this, nothing else." And I kept scratching my head. I said, "What is it?" Because nobody showed so much interest in that till that time. And then when he, over the phone, he once told me and he said, "This is what I want you to do." It is definitely very close to my heart, as close to my heart as the other projects that I lead in my club, which is we take care of, we do a lot of awareness creation for doctors and ayahs who treat and I would say give therapy to children with PDD or developmental disabilities. That is another very close project. But apart from the transgenders part, yes, we go out of our way to help them. And this year, what we have planned already, Dr. Manish, is again a brainchild of DG Sunil, that we would like to train them and place them in corporate jobs wherever possible. I think I also mentioned in one of my presentations at the DTA that we have embarked upon a program to train them as cab drivers. Of course, Ola and Uber will be a part of this entire thing, though we are trying to break ice with Priyadarshini cabs also. Similarly, we would like to train them as security guards, as office assistants in call centers where some of them are already placed. In fact, one of our club members, Rotarian Sanjay Mehta, through his NGO, is already training slightly educated trans persons as financial analysts and accountants, and he's also placing them in his own company as well as others. So this is something that we'd like to take across the city. And just day before yesterday, we had a long meeting where you were also part of it. And we have a few Rotractors who are helping us in that, and very enthusiastic Rotarians from across the entire city. I would say all our zonal heads are so very well. We are just making baby steps with them. Yes, there are a lot of, again, like I said, a lot of rough edges to be smoothed out, but we'll manage it along the way.
Ravi, this is a very unique project, and I see that this is one of the most practical projects which should have been done quite earlier too. This is about gender equality, giving them that type of recognition that they deserve. And I myself am associated with Gauri Sawant. I had told you the other day, Gauri Sawant, in fact, you'd like to know that Gauri Sawant was a super obese lady. These people do take certain hormones, and super obese with diabetes, with kidney problems. I operated her for a bariatric surgery. She lost weight. She's done extremely well. Now she's so closely associated to us that she will definitely like to be a part of this project also. And after the meeting, wonderful, I did speak to her, and she has shown lots of interest in tying up with us for this. So possibly in the coming week, I will get you in touch with Gauri Sawant, because she's another influential transgender with a huge follower base, and she's actually an influencer today.
Very good.
So we'll definitely, I'm sure that with your efforts, concrete efforts, strategic efforts, with the support of many, you're going to do something great in this field, will make good inroads. And this successful project, which is a unique project, is going to be super successful in time. Though we understand that this is the first year, we cannot do a lot, but at least the beginning is happening.
Definitely.
And with a good beginning here, I'm sure in the coming years, we're going to get huge results.
Absolutely wonderful. I mean, it's great to see so many people thinking so alike. Yeah.
Absolutely. So, Ravi, this is the reason why you are here. We wanted to know something about this project and something about your work also. You have been doing something phenomenal in Rotary. And
Right.
thank you so much for accepting our invitation and coming for the talk show. It's an absolute pleasure to have you with us. Hope you've enjoyed too. And
Yep,
hope your
absolutely.
talk today is a source of encouragement, motivation, and boost to many others who would like to do something good for the society.
Definitely. Thank you so much, Dr. Manish, for the wonderful opportunity and absolutely wonderful talking to you. I mean, you are a great anchor, I would say. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.